To add your personal checking account to Amazon, start by opening the Amazon website and signing into your account. Once you're signed in, move your mouse over Account and Lists in the top right corner and click your account. On the account page, find the Your Payments section and click it to view your saved payment methods. Look for the option to add a new payment method, then select Add a Bank Account or the Checking Account option if it appears. Enter your bank account number and routing number carefully, making sure both numbers match the information provided by your bank. If Amazon asks you to verify the account, follow the instructions shown on the screen. After entering your information, review everything one more time and click Add your bank account or the confirmation button. Once the account has been successfully added, it should appear in your available payment methods, and you can select it when Amazon allows checking accounts for the particular payment or purchase you're making. If you don't see an option to add a checking account, Amazon may not currently support that payment method for your account, location, or the type of transaction you're trying to make.